all you beauty people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are going to be unboxing Boxy Premium. It is the first of my subscription boxes that I have received for this month. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Before I go ahead and do that, I just wanted to let you guys know I have a giveaway going on. It is a collab video with my friend Shut Up It Sharon here on YouTube. We both did our drugstore starter kits, but we're also giving away a $20 e-gift card to our US subscribers. So you have two chances to win if you subscribe to on her video, obviously, and on my video. That's what I meant. But you have to subscribe to both of our channels. I will gladly go ahead and link that video down below for you guys here, but also link it at the very end of this video so you guys can go ahead and check out the video if you're interested in signing up for that giveaway. And obviously, if you do it, you get two chances to win. You can either win on mine or either win on hers, but either or, she is such a dear friend of mine. She does videos just like mine, beauty, makeup, lifestyle. She even does cooking sometimes. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely I would love for you guys to go ahead and check out her channel and let her know that I sent you over. But obviously we're interested in getting into this Boxy Premium. So let's just go ahead and do that. Obviously, before we do that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get into it. So, Boxy Premium, obviously you guys know, is a $35 box through BOXYCHARM. It is the premium box that you can get either on top of the base box or just alone by itself. But with this box you get 6 full-size products. They are anywhere between high-end to medium, like premium type of makeup. It can be anywhere from like well-known brands. Obviously it can be not drugstore, but like indie brands, that's what I meant to say. It can either be indie brands or well-known brands that you can find in Sephora and Ulta. Obviously, you get some little bit of customization in it. You get to pick an item that goes with it. And then if you get like Boxy Luxe, because I do have Boxy Luxe coming this month as well. And then I also have my Ipsy box that should be coming soon. So just go ahead and dive into this. Let me find my card. I think it fell on the floor. Found it. So this is what the card looks like. Obviously we know it is March. It is that time of the year where we are getting a little bit lucky because it is tax season. We're also getting stimulus checks, and on top of that, look at the Irish, it is St. Patty's Day this month. So that is the theme lucky right there for us. Again, we do have 6 full-size products, you know what I meant, in this box. We're going to go ahead and start off with the first item. Also, just to let you know, if this is your first time watching my channel, I do go through my subscription boxes, and I also do a giveaway every single month. So you're definitely going to want to head and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see what stuff I'm going to be giving away at the end of all of my subscription boxes once they're opened. I have not announced the winners yet. If this video goes up, I might have announced the winners from my previous subscriptions for last month, or previous giveaways from last month. So anyways, keep that in mind. So again, you want to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be a part of this month's giveaways. Again, I do two giveaways probably a month. Again, I've got that e-gift card one and the one for our subscription boxes. So again, enough self-plug. But first item is going to be the what is this? The Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Eye Primer and a Shimmering Eyeshadow Palette. So we got an eyeshadow palette and we also have an eyeshadow primer in this. So this is the Pairing Pack Technology Forward Skincare First Illuminating and Shimmer. The Illuminating the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer creates a optical illusion of brightening eye area, while the Shimmering Palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BOXYCHARM and is not for resale. It says the total price of this is $145. Are you kidding me? $145. Now, okay, I do have some of the Kypris skincare that I've gotten recently. So this is what it looks like. It looks like we have an eyeshadow primer, which is right here. Kind of has a little bit of a dropper type of thing, so I don't know how that's gonna work. That's interesting. Okay, and then we also have the eyeshadow palette, which is right here, again exclusively for BOXYCHARM, if you can see that right there. this is what it looks like in the packaging in front, and then that is what the palette looks like. So that is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Is this something I would use? I'm unsure about that, just because of, I don't know, I don't use eyeshadow primers. I also don't use, that's a lot of shimmer. So I'm gonna be honest, this is probably gonna be the first item that goes into the giveaway, but I'm gonna think about it for a second. Let's just go ahead and go through the rest of this. So the next item on here, I'm pretty sure I chose, is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is worth $35. I love this primer so much. It's so good. It's proactive, it's nourishing. So it's coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and great for skincare revival. It's a replenishing face primer. I have very dry skin, so I need as much hydration for myself. But again, it says 100% smoother, 100% radiant, 100% hydrant, and 100% appearance of a full night's rest at the same time. So again, it's a really good for skincare to use, or it says what it says on here. Just let me just read it for you. This Revolution Makeup Primer is infused with coconut water probiotics, like I just said for you, that works together to boost the skin's radiance, promotes elasticity, and helps hydrate while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, and more flawless wear. So in general, definitely going to go ahead and keep this. I love that primer so much. I've used it in the past. I haven't repurchased it in a while because I have so many primers I already have in my collection. So it's just kind of a little bit unnecessary. Then the next item I have in here is a single eyeshadow by Dose of Colors. It says this is in Black Party Eyeshadow in Reflection. So Reflection is what we've got. This is what it looks like. Not really my fancy, not really into getting these single eyeshadows, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that into the giveaway. The next item we have in here, and that's worth $20 if I didn't say that. The next item is going to be this, let me look at the time really quickly. Okay, I got 7 minutes. The next item is going to be this Kiss Charlie type of lip balm. It is a colored lip balm. Very interesting. There are different colored lip balms that are out there that I have in my collection, but I haven't had one that's kind of like in a liquid form like this. So definitely innovative. I definitely want to go ahead and try that out. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. That is $26. And then we've got these makeup brushes by Beauty Diva London. It says they're worth $48. I saw someone else show these off and they look kind of cheap. Not to be like rude, I guess, about the company, but just in general, this is what they look like. So not really my fancy. They're kind of like a plastic, but they still look like kind of okay quality. So I'm going to go ahead and put those into the giveaway for someone at least to add some makeup brushes to your collection. So there is that. That is worth, what is that? $48. Those do not look like they're worth $48. And then the last thing is going to be the IGK Print Up Instant Spray Hair Mask. So this high-powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask, but works under a minute. The multitasking mixture moisture includes almond oil, cupcake butter, I have no idea how to say that, deep conditioning repairs and strengthens hair, while apple cider vinegar adds a dramatic shine, and this is worth $32. I love IGK, such good products. I never have to purchase them because I've been getting them in these boxes and as items that you can choose, whether it's Ipsy or BOXYCHARM. So they tend to actually give away IGK products a lot and as an option. So let's just go ahead. That is all the items that we got in this box. So let's go ahead and add that up really quickly. So 145 plus 35 plus 26 plus 48 plus 32 and then plus 20. So the total price of this box is going to be $306. If you can see that, sorry, my screen is a little bit low. The value of this box, I believe, is supposed to be over $175. Do I think we got our worth? Yes and no. Honestly, I think the only item I was truly excited about is the Hangover Primer and the IGK item. So obviously these two items obviously are way over the price of the box itself. But obviously you guys will be getting some really good stuff. So Again, so adding into this month's giveaway box for my subscription box are going to be these 4 items so far. Obviously, you're going to want to stay tuned for my Boxy Luxe unboxing and also for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you can see what those items, if they're my fancy, if I keep them, if I don't keep them, and what's going to be in this month's giveaway. So yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to go ahead and check out that collab video that I did with Sharon. Again, it's going to be linked down below. It's also going to be linked at the end of this video here coming up soon. So I appreciate you so much. Thank you again so much for watching this video. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. You know it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!